let's explore the Wells Gray waterfalls. Let's visit the 4 waterfalls today. Welcome to Dawson Falls. The trailhead is right at the beginning of the parking area. Dawson Falls is one of 7 waterfalls on the Murtle River in Wells Gray, Provincial Park, British Columbia, Canada. The hike to Dawson Falls is a quick adventure in Wells Gray that takes you to a scenic waterfall that looks like a miniature Niagara Falls. The main path is clear and well-worn and an easy route to the falls. There is also another section just past the lookout where you can stand at the top of the falls. From Dawson to Helmcken Falls is a 9 minutes driving. Welcome to the highest waterfall in Wells Gray Provincial Park with 141 meters high, Helmcken Falls. Check out this 1.0-km out and back trail near Thompson, Nicola, BC. Generally considered an easy route. It takes an average of 30 minutes to complete. Helmcken Falls is a 141-meter, 463 feet tall waterfall on the Murtle River in BC. It is the 4th tallest waterfall in Canada. Mushbowl Falls can be reached via road on the way to Dawson Falls and Helmcken Falls. The Mushbowl is a small waterfall sandwiched in between the two mammoth cataracts of the Murtle River, Helmcken Falls, and Dawson Falls. You can walk along the trail closer to the crest, and some people seem to suggest it's even cooler. There is a pull-off for vehicles after crossing the one-lane wooden bridge that straddles the river. To find the hidden trailhead, drive a few miles from town and just past Greer. Road on your right, you'll soon come to a corner with concrete barriers on both sides. You'll see the parking lot entrance with an old faded wide sign that says Woodlot License 301. 5 minutes driving from Wilkes-Barre Info Center and 6 minutes driving from Spearhead Falls. 31 minutes driving from the Mushbowl Falls. Welcome to Triple Decker Falls. Near the beginning of the trail is a bunch of ski poles to use on the trail, donated by Youth to Christ. I highly recommend taking one if you don't have your own walking stick. They definitely came in handy. The walk to Triple Decker Falls is short, but very steep.
But this is a lot of blue, but that one is river trail, the one I just told you 2-3 hours.
Oh yeah, this is...
Careful, careful.
I know, let's just go before I go down.
Triple Decker Falls is unique because it is a 3-tiered. It's amazing. If you still have time, you can also try the Candle Creek Falls, allowed 3 to 5 hours for 5 kilometers hiking. Thank you for watching.